Quick and easy marshmallow Christmas treats.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is start off with a candy mold. You can use whatever Christmas themed candy mold that you want. These are actually designed for Oreo cookies. You put candy melts down and then the Oreo cookie and then more candy melts on top. I've done a few of those kinds of videos on my channel. I'll put a link in the description box to a couple of them if you're interested in seeing those. Now these particular ones are flowers. They're not Christmas themed, but I thought if I did them in green and red, they'd be fine. So I took jumbo marshmallows and I pressed them into the candy mold. You could also do regular size marshmallows if you wanted to. And here are some Christmas theme ones that I did have that were on the larger size. It's a Christmas wreath. So in order to decorate this, I put some red for the bow and the berries. And then I let this chill in the refrigerator until it was set. And then I added the green candy melts on top. And for these, I'm filling them about halfway up the sides before I put the marshmallow in. Push the marshmallow in, pressing down so it has good contact with the candy melts, but it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And then let them harden in the refrigerator and just pop them out. You can see how great those look. The marshmallows stay stuck quite nicely to those candy melts. And then all you have to do is melt some chocolate. And then you're going to press the other end of your little treat into the chocolate. And I put these on some parchment paper after I dipped them and shook off the excess. And then just let the chocolate set. You can make these for any occasion depending on what kind of candy mold that you use and what color of candy melts that you use as well. And these would be really cute if you put them in little treat bags. I have a playlist on my channel. It's Christmas treats, but they're like edible crafts because you kind of have to build them and they're a lot of fun. So if you want for some fun treats that you can make with your kids, check out the playlist, and thank you so much for watching.